Open up the piano and let's play Through It All by Hillsong Worship in the key of C. There's a total of 6 chords for this song. The first chord, we have a C major. We're going to put our thumb, right hand thumb on middle C. This is our middle C, C, E, and G. Left hand, we're going to go down 1 octave, put our thumb on C. And this is our C major chord. Next chord, we have our G major. We're going to move our right hand, whole hand up, thumb to G, B, and D. Left hand, activate finger 4. G major chord. We have a new chord. The third chord is a Gsus. We're going to sustain the 4th note, so we're going to have a G, C, and D. Left hand, activate finger 4. This is our Gsus. A little bit of hanging feeling as compared to a G major chord. Can you hear the difference? Gsus, G major chord. Next chord, we have our A minor. We're going to put our right hand thumb on A, C, and E. Left hand, activate finger 3 on A. Next chord, we have our F major. We're going to shift our right hand thumb to F, A, and C, and then finger 5 on F. This is our F major chord. And last chord, we have our E minor. We're going to move our right hand down one step, E, G, and B. Left hand, we can stretch down to E. But if you would like to stretch up to high E, also no problem. Okay, so yes, so there's a variation to it. This is a tutorial video, so be sure to check out the next video for your practice track. Now the playing pattern for this song for full bar is going to be a both, right, right, right. The playing pattern for a half bar is going to be a both and right. So let's go. Verse 1, half a bar of C. U are for air. Half a bar of G. The in my. 1 bar of A minor. Life. You see. 1 bar of F. Me through. The half a bar of Gsus, C, half a bar of G, sons, half a bar of C, cover me, half a bar of G, with your 1 bar of A minor, hand, and lead, 1 bar of F, me in your right, 1 bar of G. Nurse, and I. 1 bar of E minor. Look to you. 1 bar of F. And I. 1 bar of E minor. Wait on you. Half a bar of F. You. Half a bar of G. Let's go verse. Smoothly ready. 1, 2, half bar of C and go. You are forever in my life. You see me through the seasons. C. Cover me with your hand and lead me in your righteousness, and I look to you, and I wait on you. F to G. Ow. Let's move on to our chorus. 1 bar of C. I'll sing to you, Lord, a hymn. 1 bar of F, of love for your half bar of G. Faithfulness, half a bar A minor, to me, half a bar of F, half a bar of G. I'm 1 bar of C. Carried in everlast, 1 bar of F. Ting arms, you, half a bar of G. Never let, half a bar of C. Me go, half a bar of F. How about G? Through it all. 1 bar of C. 1 bar of C again. Let's go. Chorus. Smoothly ready. 1, 2, and we go. I'll sing to you, Lord, a hymn of love. Half a bar coming up for your faithfulness. A minor. To me, F and G. 1 bar of C. I'm carried in Everlast, F, ting arms, half a bar coming up, you never see me go, and G, through it all, one bar C, one bar C again. Let's go bridge, full bar each. We have a C chord, Hallelujah, A minor, Luya, F chord, Hallelujah, G chord, Luya, repeat, C chord, Hallelujah, A minor, Luya, F chord, Hallelujah, G chord, Luya. Let's go bridge, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, and we go. Hallelujah, A minor, Luya, F chord, Hallelujah, G chord, Luya. One more time, back C, Hallelujah, A minor, Luya, F chord, Hallelujah. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.